Hello everyone. Let's talk about the letter I, which is the ninth letter of the alphabet. I is an important letter because it is used to make many words that we use in our everyday life. The letter I has a shape that looks like a vertical line. It is important to remember how to draw the letter I correctly, so that you can recognize it when you see it and write it properly. The letter I makes a special sound, the I sound. This sound can be pronounced in different ways depending on the word. For example, in the word kit, the I sounds like I. In the word bite, the I sounds like AI. Words that have the letter I in them are all around us. We might eat some ice cream for dessert, or go for a swim in the pool. We might also play a game of hide and seek with our friends, or read a book about insects. Remembering the letter I is an important step in learning how to read and write. As you practice, you will become more familiar with this special letter and all the interesting words it helps create. So let's give a big I for the letter I, and get ready to continue exploring the amazing world of language. Don't forget to support our channel by clicking like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.